welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina, and this week I'm going to be making homemade tomato soup with grilled cheese. For the grilled cheese, I am using the bread that I made last week. So if you missed that video, I will link it below because it is such an easy recipe and it makes 2 whole loaves of delicious homemade bread. So definitely check that out after you watch this video. This video is a little bit different this week. I decided to really focus on just like good music and just kind of cook to that. So if you like this style of video, smash that thumbs up below. And if you'd like more weekly dinner inspiration, please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can hit the bell notification and it will alert you every time that I upload a video so you won't miss any of them, which I definitely recommend. So without further ado, let's make dinner. This bread, oh my god, so good, so versatile. It was delicious as grilled cheese and it tasted phenomenal dunked into the tomato soup. Oh, I've never honestly done that before. I've never really eaten tomato soup and it was like one of those moments where you realize why everyone does it. It was so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Like I said, if you liked this style of video, smash that thumbs up below. And if you'd like more weekly dinner inspiration, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone!